Hello friends, myself Joy Jolie. Here I am sharing my experience in my field placement. I am doing my field placement in a well-known Greek restaurant called Astoria Shish Kebab House, which is located in Mississauga. This is my restaurant. This is a serving authentic Greek cuisine for over 49 years. It is located in the heart of Mississauga. Astoria Shish Kebab House has a contemporary ambience and serves a modern take on most of our dishes that derive from family recipes passed down from generations. Astoria Shish Kebab House cooking style is vastly based on the Mediterranean diet. It is considered to be light, influenced by one of the healthiest cuisines known. Our goal is to showcase our unique take on authentic Greek and Mediterranean cuisine through an exciting array of modernized dishes for today's palate. And it provides a unique experience and a journey through Greek food history with our signature service. Each meal from a restaurant is much more than its ingredients, and it takes patience, passion, and dedication to ensure a truly unforgettable dining experience. These are the requirements which I needed to get this placement. I submitted my application through the Indeed, then I got an in person interview. After passing the interview, they asked me to submit the documents. Submission of documents, then in between that, I need to complete the food handler certification course as well. Then I had a 2 days orientation and then a 3 days of training. The other documents which I need to submit that include my work permit, the study permit, passport, the college offer letter, the placement detail, both vaccine certificates, then the food handlers, and the police vulnerable sector check. I have 5 goals to achieve through this placement, which are: first one is to plan menu in consideration of the needs and preferences of the clients, manage food handling and the preparations in compliance with the relevant legislation and the best practices, then the manage inventory and the supplies of goods and services and the objectives, then support the co-workers to work professionally and ethically, then last one is to deliver customer service consistent with organizational standards. First one, the menu planning. As I am working in a kitchen, menu planning according to the interest of the customer is a necessary thing. Every day we are preparing different dishes as the menu and providing a very good services to our customers. The second one is to manage the food handling and preparations in compliance with relevant legislation and best practices. In our restaurant, food preparation and serving is on the basis of food safety protocol. In the kitchen, we have the HACCP principles, the temperature range for different food, hand washing protocols, etc. It is necessary to follow all these instructions. I am trained about to how to prepare and handle food on my training period. Third one is to manage inventory and supplies of goods and services. Maintain the inventory regularly is a part of my placements. Everyone in the kitchen should have a concern about the inventory. It's our responsibility to check the expiry dates and quality of the food items. Leftover food has been always thrown out at the end of the day by the kitchen staffs. The fourth one is to support the co-workers to work professionally and ethically. Astoria is a good example of teamwork. When I joined her, I had no idea about anything, but my coworkers helped me a lot to learn. During some times, I have to do the serving as well. Sometimes I am helping in dishwashing. Third, most of the workers are very supportive and caring. Sometimes I am helping my juniors to learn new things. Our team is very supportive, and group work is a key feature of my Astoria. So I can proudly say that all of our workers are working ethically and professionally in our restaurant. The fifth one is to deliver customer service consistent with organizational standards and objectives. As a restaurant, customer satisfaction and serving service is very important. So I'm sure I'm meeting this goal in my placement. because we are dealing a number of customers every day. In our restaurant, we never let the customer to wait long to get the food. We always prioritize their choices and the satisfaction. Astoria, which is well known for its takeout and dine-in services. I could say that all of our services are focused on customer satisfaction. I am able to learn many skills while working with these servers, like how to welcome and address the customers, to taking orders, etc. This is a very good opportunity for me to learn more. Then, how can I apply this in my future? This placement experience is an asset to my future. I have learned many new concepts and skills through this. I would like to fix my career in the same field even after completing the placement. As I am mostly working in the kitchen, I could learn many new recipes from my chefs and I can apply this as well in my career. It enabled me to improve my communication skills also. Language can have a great impact in my future too. Now I have the confidence that I can be a good chef through this experience in Astoria, and I like to take a culinary course after completion of this. So I am very proudful and happier to be a part of such famous organization. Here I am. I have some recommendations for those who are interested in this placement. Utilize the opportunity to build up a brighter future. Try to keep truthfulness and sincerity to attain success. Always manage time and finish the works accordingly. Keep good relationships and be interactive. Our dedications and commitment to the job can decide how much will be the outcome. And every success have a hard time. So always focus on the positive rather than the disappointments. Here I am sharing a quote by John Stewart. I want to look back on my career and be proud of the work and be proud that I tried everything. So always try to utilize the opportunities and learn many new things and have more experience in your life. Thank you.